It's the 21st of October 2025. We're out here in Princeton Junction working on a 1998 Nissan Sentra GXE with a 1.6 liter motor. It had a no crank, no start issue. The customer told us that it would start up intermittently, and sometimes it will start up properly and sometimes it won't. So we checked the battery voltage, that was good. We checked the power wire from the battery to the starter, it did not have high resistance. We turned the key multiple times. We did hear the stator part of the starter clicking. So throughout our diagnosis, we found out that the fan bolt on the positive wire was loose due to corrosion, and same thing with this bolt. So we just took these out, cleaned them up a little bit, and now the car in fact does start. So we're at start number 7 now. The car's been starting flawlessly without any issues. It has a healthy starter, and I know it's a lot of starts. We're not trying to burn the motor out. We're just trying to ensure that it works properly and it does not require anything else.